is Mo Justin Crypto with a short and condensed value update for Dogecoin, bringing you an update for 2025, what is likely to happen, what is to be expected, what is the price target for this year, and what will happen in the immediate short and midterm for Dogecoin. So if we take a look at Dogecoin on the bigger scale, to me, I have one first feeling, which is that this was the first 1-2 setup. This was your tree, and now you are finishing the first 5-wave impulse for Dogecoin, which will then be at some point corrected later on to start a new impulse for Dogecoin to keep on going up. As Dogecoin is very established, this is very, very likely to me to happen. So if we pull that waves up again, we are basically now within that fifth wave. So that tells us to calculate where this fifth wave goes. We will need to calculate the length of wave 3 down to wave 4 with the Fibonacci extension. Okay, guys? So this is what we are doing. We take the length of wave 3 and we pull it down to the wave 4, and we will essentially get the most likely targets here for Dogecoin between the 61.8 and the 78.6, as well as the target 1 if you would really go on a rampage here for Dogecoin. So this is our target zone for Dogecoin. I'm very honest with you guys. I think this bull market has a lot of fuel and a lot of power that will be blowing out this year. I do not think that we are able to reach extension target 1 yet. This will follow later. So to me, the target zone for Dogecoin lies between $2.50 to $7.50. Meaning that Dogecoin really hasn't moved that much. As you see, it hasn't made a new all-time high, while Bitcoin has made an all-time high so much, right? So Bitcoin is basically 100% up from all-time highs. Altcoins like Dogecoin haven't really done that. Structure-wise, what are we looking at? We have formed here a round bottom, a very, very nice accumulation for Dogecoin. Some could make the case that we are speaking about a so-called cup and handle pattern here, which would also be possible and would be a very, very bullish pattern as well, which is now on the edge actually of breaking out, or actually broke out already here. So Dogecoin has a very, very nice structure. If we want to bring some light to where this structure as it stands kind of brings us, I would calculate it like this. You want to take the length of the cup and you want to put it to the breakout point. And as you guys can see, like magic, we are meeting the targets in our range here between $2.50 and $7.50 here for this cycle for this year for Dogecoin actually. So you are looking at a very, very attractive project to me, that will make its way here into those zones to then actually finish that first 5-wave impulse. All right, guys. So this is what we are looking at for Dogecoin. The first 5-wave impulse will end here somewhere around February, March next year, eventually January, eventually also already in November. The time is always the hardest to predict. That's why option trading is the most difficult and actually brings people into high debt, because to predict time of something is actually the hardest. If things move, they move. Until then, it is pretty hard to say when exactly it is going to happen. If we go to a smaller time frame here right now for Dogecoin, guys, you can see that we have started pushing out here impulsively out of that cup and handle. So you will, you know what I mean? If you want to say cup and handle pattern, you started pushing up, and basically right now I do expect that Dogecoin will do the following thing. It is a bit similar to what the other coins will do, but not completely. So from those summer lows here, let's say this was like the summer lows you had last year, you want to track the first 1-2 setup basically, and to me this was your first 5-wave move impulse. So that would be your 1-2. You had a very strong wave 3, you have a nice wave 4, and now you're looking at a 5th wave to actually finish the immediate short-term price action. Okay, so what we need to do again is calculate the extension here for Dogecoin. Start with the bottom of wave 2, go up to where wave 3 brought us. I'm gonna do this very detailed here, and we will find a target here for Dogecoin at around 90 cents. Yeah, which would basically be a new all-time high by a bit, not really hitting that dollar, okay? Not really hitting that dollar for that fifth wave, but that would be basically where I would say, okay, Dogecoin is going in the immediate short term. This also keeps Elliott wave principles intact. Wave 3 is the longest, wave 5 is a bit shorter than wave 3. And after that, guys, I would say we get a nice little pullback here, okay? During summer, we'll start an accumulation and then go to our target box between $2.50 and $7.50 here for Dogecoin to finalize this cycle. So I see the big action coming September, October. Basically, immediate short term, you're targeting 70 to 90 cents. The rest, where we will correct to, I will keep you posted. We will do the monthly outlooks. Also, so subscribe, hit that subscribe. I hope you appreciated the update. Target zone immediate between 70 and 91 cents to me, and the final target box lies between $2.50 and $7.50 here for Dogecoin. Thank you very much, guys. I wish you a beautiful day. More Justin Crypto out. Bye bye. Ciao, ciao.